Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Hello guys!
Recording live
Vlogmas
from Buckingham
Day. Vlogmas Day
17.
17. Woo. Alright, we are with the Queen.
We're about to get tea with her.
She's inside. We're just waiting for our appointment.
Yeah.
You
She's
know.
real busy.
There's a lot of security checks here. Since, you know, we've been on this trip for a couple days now.
This is day 3.
We've realized that we haven't introduced the people we're with. This is Kiran's sister Sharon. Sharanjeet. Oh, sorry.
Hi.
And this is my sister Sandeep, aka Sandy.
Both of your names start with S. Yeah.
That's Kiran if you didn't know.
Yeah. So the reason why we came to London, for those of you who are curious, as I'm sure many of you were, was not so that Baldeep could take a freelancing job. It's because my sister is doing study abroad and living in London for the year.
Done!
Awkward. That was some gold. Okay, so guys, here we
This is
are.
round 2 because Kiran did press record.
It happens, you know.
Here we have where the Parliament sits. We're on the Westminster Bridge. That's called the Westminster Palace. Right?
Then up here we got Big Ben, which isn't aging too well, unfortunately. It's getting some Botox facelifts. Over here we have, oh god, yeah, the London Eye.
2 queens.
Tell them where we are.
We're on the London Eye now.
We just got on. Sharon, where are we?
Camden Market.
Baldeep getting the content.
Yeah,
Okay.
if you want some.
We stopped at Camden Market to get some food. We got some onion rings, the very English fish and chips. And then, what did you get? Chicken?
Yes, fried chicken.
Because she's so American. Hello guys, we're currently taking the underground in a cool, futuristic tunnel. This looks a lot better than the MBTA.
I take this any day.
Right? It's so cute. Or like, not cute, cool. Okay, modern,
Edgy.
contemporary,
Edgy.
edgy. Then do a... Hi guys, we're in Chinatown just doing a little bit of exploring. It smells so good here, like yummy hot pot or really good Asian food. There's Baldeep back at it again with that content. Okay, content creator.
We're off to the Christmas market and it's so beautiful. There's lights hanging from the trees.
Oh wow, oh wow. Okay, let me flip it for you guys.
Yeah.
made it.
Some fancy circle square thing. Circus.
Piccadilly Circus.
Yep.
It's cute. There you go. That's the money shot right there. I'm going fast so I don't have to put it on double speed.
She's still gonna put a double speed and that's gonna go extra
Don't do
fast.
that, honestly. Oh, I don't know if you guys noticed, but we're missing a member of our party. She had to head back to the States, unfortunately. Sandy, yeah, if you guys can tell, Sandy. Yeah, and now we're gonna go do things. Bye. Say what we're gonna do. I don't know what we're gonna go do.
Sharon teaches acting class and Baldeep and I are gonna say it.
Sharon has acting class. Sharon Jeet has acting class. And Baldeep and I are just gonna do what we do best and sit. What is this place called?
Kingly Court
What are we gonna have?
pizza.
Yum. Say it one more time.
Pizza.
Yum. Alrighty guys, we're at Mario's Fine Pizza Delivery. Oh. Thank you. Alrighty guys, so we got ourselves some pizza. I got the white pizza with mushrooms. Sharon got a lovely little margarita situation, and
I got a
Baldeep,
double pepperoni with spicy honey.
yum,
Cute.
yum. Oh, I can smell the truffle. Love it.
Hi guys, we're back at the headquarters
Headquarters, YouTube headquarters.
and we are,
We're so fortunate that YouTube flew us out here. Man, oh man, we are some lucky ducks.
it's been a really long day, you know, this sponsored London trip's really sucking the energy out of
They
me.
jam-pack these days.
Look for the hashtag visit London.
We really want to also shout out, in addition to YouTube, the London Tourist
Sharon
Bureau.
Jeet.
Yeah, the president's Sharon Jeet.
Yeah.
And yeah, the day was really long. I honestly forgot all of the things that we did today because that's how long it felt. In a good way. In a good way. We did so much that I, like, the first half of the day, I was legit just like, I thought that was yesterday.
Yeah. So we're now gonna end this day.
We'll see you guys tomorrow.